Hello everybody, it's Rochelle here. On today's video, I will be showing you all how I made this delicious upside down peach cake. So just a reminder, always check the description boxes in all of my videos for the list of ingredients along with any tips that I like to list. Okay, so preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Here I melted a half a stick of butter, which is 1/4 cup. To that I will add my 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar and mix it very well. After you're able to get an even layer of brown sugar and butter, lay your peaches down in any design that you would like. In a large mixing bowl, combine 1/2 cup of butter or 1 stick of butter and 3/4 cup of sugar. After your butter and sugar is nice and whipped, add in 1 large egg and add in your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Alright, so I ended up adding 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon to my cake batter. However, it's completely optional, although I would recommend it because it pairs very well with your vanilla extract in your cake batter and of course the peaches. Go ahead at this point and add in your 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, your 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and your 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. As you go ahead and combine your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients, add in your 1/2 cup of milk, little by little. So the cake batter is completely done and it was super easy with not a lot of ingredients needed. Now I'm just placing the batter over my peaches, very gentle, being sure not to disturb the design. And then you're just going to pop it right in your oven that has already been preheated to 350 degrees. Let it bake for about 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, so my cake has been out of the oven and cooling for about 30 minutes. Now I'm just going to flip it over. You're probably wondering, why is she using parchment paper and not a plate? I could not decide which plate or dish that I was going to put it on, so I just put it on some parchment paper so I can smoothly transfer it after I'm done in filming the video, which is what I did. And just like that, Y'all, look at those juices falling down. It's like all pretty and brown. The peaches are nicely in place in the cake. It is so beautiful. Thank you all for taking the time to watch my video. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Thank you again for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.